Dear students, this video we are going to see about how to draw a cycloid. Now we can see the question. Construct a cycloid given the radius of the generating circle is 25 mm. Also draw a tangent and normal at any point on the cycloid. In this question, it is given as radius, the given radius. Normally the question will be given as diameter. So there will be a confusion whether it has given as diameter or radius. So students, you should be very clear while reading the question whether it is given as radius or a diameter. So first of all, we need to fix a point, the center point. So we can fix your paper like this landscape. Like this landscape, you can fix your paper, and now you can see how we are going to start the diagram. So at this area, I am going to fix the point. Here, look at this. This is called C, center point. And now, for this point, I am going to fix draw the circle. The length of the circle, radius, will be what? 25 mm, as it is given. Already it is noted, right? So 25 mm, 2.5 I had taken here, and this is exactly 2.5. So now I am going to draw. I am just holding the compass like this, and I am going to keep the center point here. Now I am going to draw the circle. In this order, I am going to draw it. So like this, I have drawn. Now I am going to draw the horizontal line. So first of all, we can fix the horizontal line like this. So we may fix the horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line here. Okay. So normally the circle will be divided into 8 equal parts or 12 equal parts. So I normally choose 8 equal parts. What is that? 8 equal parts. So already we have drawn a center horizontal line, that is a diameter. Now for here I am going to find out the 90 degree as well as the 45 degree for both the side. So totally 3 marks I made it, 45 degree, 90 degree, and here 45 degree. So now with this I am going to extend on this. Look at here, keeping this as the point, I just drawn. Okay, another one is here, just drawn at here one. Another one is so now I just finish it. Okay, now I am going to give the name. How I am going to give the name? It is, this is, I am not going to give the name for this. Either you have to start from here or here. So I will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is our circle. So here we need one calculation, that is, what is the perimeter of it? Circumference. Circumference is nothing, that is P. P is equal to either pi d or 2 pi r. So here we are having the radius. So here we can take for the calculation 2 into 3.14 into 25 mm. So what will be the value here? Take your calculator. So by calculating, you will be get 157 millimeter. So by calculator, if you are going to divide it by 8, means you will be getting exactly 19.625 millimeter. So how will you make this exact dimension? So we leave it. So we can go for another one method. So here we need to mark a extension locus lines. So what are the locus lines? It is 90 degree. We can mark it here so that your diagram will be exactly perfect. So 90 degree, and here it is 90 degree. So already what length we got it? So that is 157. So for 157, 157 is here. This is the end. So I will make the line here like this. So this line we need to divide it by 8 equal sections. So that is very important. How we are going to make the 8 equal sections? So that we are going to see it. So that is below 90 degree. Below 90, look at here, very important one. Below 90 degree, so I am just taking approximately this angle, okay, with the known dimension. What is the known dimension? We need to divide it into 8 equal sections. So I have taken here 80 mm, 80. So I am going to divide it into 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 mm each, so that I will be getting 8 equal sections. This is the 8 equal sections with the 80 mm of distance below 90 degree angle. So this is 90 degree and this is a below 90 degree angle. I have taken it here now. Now I am going to join these two ends. So which one is at here, and I am going to join it here. Just join it like this. And now our another thing is, by using your drafter you need to move it, otherwise you will be getting a small shake. So here I am just going to draw another one line, parallel line. So these are the parallel lines here, so that it will be equally divided into 8 equal sections. So this is the perfect method of dividing into equal parts. Again I am dividing it so that you will be getting equal parts. Anyhow, these all are the 8 equal parts now. So now I am going to give the name. This is 1, 2 means 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and this is 8 dash. So now we can draw the complete the rectangle. So here we need to finish it by a rectangle. So 90 degree, and the height will be what? 25 plus 25, that is 50 mm. So now we can also complete this. So the rectangle we have drawn, and we can complete this also. We can mark it here. Here we need to draw, connect this point and this point, so that it will be okay now. Okay, now we are going to again draw the perpendicular lines from here. We can connect like this. So this is a way. Here we need to give the name. The name are this is already C given. So this is C1 and this is C2 and this is C3 and this is C4, this is C5, C6, C7, C8. So here the concept is, here this will be considered as a wheel. For example, this is the wheel. Here you can assume this as the wheel. Now this wheel has to rotate like this. It has to rotate in this way. For the complete one revolution, it has to rotate like that. Finally, the the red dot should be again down at the bottom. This is the profile. Which profile we are going to draw is this red dot profile traveling through this way, that we are going to identify. So this is the rotating method. I already told why we have given the name in this order 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if we are going to give the names 1, 2, 3 like this, means the wheel has to rotate in what way? It has to rotate in this order, so that we can give the names in this way. So the next point it has to cover, here it is this one. Again this point it has to cover here, and this point it has to cover here, and this point, fourth point, it has to come here, and the fifth point it has to come here. So like that, each and every point it should fall down like this at each and every point like this. So this is our method. So now how we are going to fix it? So that is what we are going to see now. This is very important one, how we are going to, first of all, here in the ellipse or parabola or hyperbola, the radius will be different, but the center point is same. But here it is directly opposite. How it is, the radius will be same and the center points will be different. How the radius is same? It is, here this is the radius already we have taken, it is 2.5 mm. I didn't change my compass, so it is okay now. Now first point I am just going to take here C. I am just going to measure it on here at the base itself. So I just made a mark on it. Here I made it. Then for C1, C1 means here also we need to draw a locus. Which locus it is? 7 and 1 should coincide. 7 and 1 should coincide, and the line is here. Should not take the scale, and you have to draw it completely. Here, look at here, these both the point has to coincide. This both the point has to coincide. If not coinciding, means also a little bit some small changes, small minor changes will have there, means you have to adjust with the lines, so that you will be getting the perfect cycloid. So now the next line I am just drawn. Okay, so these are the two locus. So now which one is the first point locus? This is the first point locus, and this is the second point locus, and this is a third point locus, and this is a fourth point locus, again fifth, sixth, seventh, right? So I am just keeping the C1 as the center, and the first point locus I am just going to cut it, first point locus. Okay, C2 as the center point will be different, but the radius are same, and the second point locus here, and C3 third point locus, and C4 fourth point locus. Next C5 fifth point locus, C6 sixth point locus. Okay, just wait a minute. Yes. C6 will be sixth point locus, and C7 will be seventh point locus, and C8 is again bottom. Okay, so now we got a new profile. The profile name is, already I told how to hold the pencil, not like this. You have to hold your pencil in this way, so that you will be getting the perfect curve. First point is here. I am just making the arc like this. I am just going to connect it. Here you should avoid the sharp edges. That is very important. Okay, again next point. So this is the curve with a thin line I drawn. Now for our reference for this video I am just making it a bold one with my sketch. I am just marking it through this way. Gently I am marking it like this. You should not use any sketch or color. You have to darken with your pencil itself. Keep it in mind, you have to darken with your pencil itself. This is your profile of the dotted one. I told this, by this dotted one you have to show it, this dot one, how it will be traveling. Now just keep in mind how it will be traveling. This is the one. Okay. Now the second point it will be here, and third point it will be here, and fourth point it will be here, and this one here, and next it will be here. Now it will be here. Now it is here. Again finally it will be here. So this is the traveling profile. Traveling profile. For example, if you are going to throw a stone, means how the stone will be traveling. So that profile we are going to make it. So that is what here. And our next part is how to draw the tangent and normal. So here we need to fix any one of the point on the curve. Before that we can give the name, point names. This is first part, right? P1, this can be set as P2, and this can be set as P3, and this can be set as P4, and this can be P5, and this is P6, and this is P7, and this is P8. So look at here, it will be starting from 8 and it will be ending at 8. Starting from 8 and ending at 8. Okay, this also you have to be very clear. I told here to take 19.25. If you are not able to take, means exactly you can take it as 19.5. So it means near to 19 and 20. The middle of the 19 and 20 you can make it, and you can make the difference by your scale itself. Anyhow, we need to divide into equal parts. If any one of the part is higher than or the difference is there, means this profile will not be perfect. So keep it in mind. Okay, and next we are going to fix it, any one of the point here. I am just going to keep this point P. So now what I am going to do it is, I am just going to join, I am going to take the compass, the same 2.5. Okay, keeping P as the center on the center line locus, either this side or this side. I am just going to fix it here. Now take your scale and draw a perpendicular line to it. This will be the perpendicular line for it. Yes, this is a perpendicular line. Now I am going to join these two. So this is N and this is M. So this I can make it as C. Okay, now this is N, M, and now for this I am going to draw the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line by using, I told you earlier. So here I am going to draw the perpendicular line. After drawing it, I will be getting like this. So this will be the tangent for it. So name it as T and G. So this will be the perfect diagram. So and here the add-on tips are, here we need to draw the dimension lines, and also here the diameter. So the diameter I told 50 mm, and this is pi. Pi means it is saying the diameter. And here look at here, this is very important. Here we have to give the names cycloid, and this is all the dimensions are in mm. So that is also very important. And I already told here this will be the profile. Here the red button, red point, how the red profile is moving like this. So it has to be moved. Okay, this is the order of moving. So it will be traveling. The traveling profile we have made it. So this is the cycloid. And look at here, the cycloid is moving only for the horizontal for the whole revolution. The question can be given as, for half revolution it will be traveling on horizontal line, and the remaining half it can be traveled by perpendicular or some other inclined way. So whatever the given the question, according to that we have to change the position of this line. Half of the line should be here, and remaining half of the line should has to be for the given dimension requirement. So that's all. Thank you.